A very pleasant morning to all of you, dear students. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the science class, children. Right now, we are on the chapter Reproduction and Adolescence. In this chapter, we have studied about the modes of reproduction, that's asexual and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, we studied about binary fission and budding. Under sexual reproduction, we have studied about the sexual reproduction in humans, right? We studied the male and female reproductive organs. Then we have also studied how fertilization takes place and how does the embryo is formed. Next, in the last class, we have studied about the determination of the sex of the baby, how the chromosomes help us to determine the sex of the baby, right? So there are altogether 46 chromosomes present in the human body or in the nucleus. Yeah, and also we have studied about hormones and endocrine glands in the last class, children, where we studied about the functions of the important hormones that are being secreted by the endocrine glands. In today's class, we will go ahead and study about the adolescence and puberty. Now, once a child is born, the only thing we see very constantly in them is the growth. The growth of the baby begins from the day baby is born. There are various stages in case of growth of humans, right? Once a baby is born, we see the baby growing, then the baby becomes a child, then from the child it becomes an adult, right? So there are basically 4 major stages of growth in humans. First one is infancy, second is childhood, third is adolescence, and fourth is adulthood. Now, any guesses, children, in which of these phases or in which of these stages the growth is fastest? Here, the fastest growth occurs during the infancy. All right. So, the period of growth from birth to about 2 years of age is called as infancy. From the time the baby is born till the age of 2 years, the growth stage is called as infancy. Now, infancy is followed by childhood, which falls in the gap of age between 2 years to 11 years. After the childhood, the next phase of growth is adolescent phase. That begins around the age of 11 years and it lasts for up to 18 or 19 years. Adolescence is that period of life where an individual is not considered as a child, children, and also he or she is not considered as an adult. So it's a period between childhood and adulthood. Adolescents are also called as teenagers, as the adolescence period covers the teen period of the age, that is 13, 14, 15. So ये क्या है, teen period होता है. That's the reason the adolescent people are also called as teenagers. During adolescence, the body grows rapidly and undergoes several changes. We see several changes in the body during the adolescent stage, that is from the age of 11 to 18 or 19 years. Yes, these changes mark the starting of puberty. Yes, so what is puberty? Puberty is actually the mark the time when a child's body starts turning into an adult's body. So it marks the process of sexual maturing. At the stage of puberty, an individual becomes sexually mature. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. And after the adolescent stage follows the adulthood. The end of adolescence is the beginning of the adulthood, which will be around after 19 years. Now children, we will go ahead and study in detail about the changes that occur at puberty. So these are the changes that we see in the growth stage of adolescence. So both physical and psychological changes takes place at puberty. Growth is very rapid also at this stage. So although the reproductive organs are already present from the time of birth in an individual, but they are small and they are not functional. But when an individual reaches at the age of puberty, the reproductive organs become active in the function. So the changes at puberty are under the control of hormones. We have studied in hormones, right, in the topic of hormones, that they are important for growth and development. So at the stage of puberty, hormones play very important role. So there are many questions associated with puberty. So what are some changes that a person experiences during puberty? Which changes do both genders experience? So we will go ahead and study about the changes that occur during puberty. For these changes, as I mentioned earlier, there are two main types of hormones which are responsible. First is growth hormone, and then the second one is sex hormones. Both of these hormones play important role in the growth stage of adolescence in boys and girls. As the name suggests, the growth hormone controls the body growth. In boys, the testes produce a sex hormone called as testosterone. If you all try and recollect the endocrine glands, hormones and their functions, you have studied that the testes produce testosterone hormone. This hormone makes the body develop male characteristics. Similarly, in girls, the ovaries produce a sex hormone called as estrogen, which makes the body develop female characteristics. So these are the two main hormones which are responsible for the changes during adolescence. Now some of the changes which occur during puberty are increase in height, then change in the voice, change in body shape. We'll go ahead and study one by one all of them, starting with the increase in height, children. During puberty, there is a sudden increase in height also. This increase in height is due to the elongation of the long bones of the arms and the legs, right? We have a table given in the textbook on page number 133, which shows the average rate of growth in height of boys and girls with their age. So it's giving us the average rate in percentage. Can you all see this table and observe it quickly? You can just go through the data that is given here. At the age of 9, boys maximum of full height is achieved at 75%. यानी कि जब बॉयज़ 9 ईयर्स के होते हैं वो अपनी 100% हाइट की 75% हाइट 9 ईयर्स में ही अचीव कर लेते हैं. एंड गर्ल्स अचीव 81% ऑफ देयर हाइट at when they are 9 years old. Yes, and here looking at the data that has been given to us, we can see that the girls initially grow faster than boys. क्योंकि अगर आप 9 years पे देखें, the boy achieve only 75%, whereas the girls have achieved 81% of their height. Then also at around 18 years of age, both boys and girls reach their maximum height. Yes, they achieve their 100% height at the age of around 18. So the rate of growth in height, however, varies from person to person. जो हम सब की height है, it varies from each other, right? Because there are two important factors that play an important role in determining the height of an individual. It is actually genetical as well. The genes inherited from the parents, that also plays important role, and also the kind of food that we eat during the years of the growth, that also plays important role in height. Yes, genetically अगर हमारे parents they are very tall or they are tall, we might be taller, right? Similarly, जो हम खाना खा रहे हैं, जो हम exercises कर रहे हैं, that also plays important role in height. So we may the growth of the height varies from person to person. Some may grow rapidly at puberty and then slow down, whereas others may grow gradually. And it also depends upon the genes as well as on the kind of food that you are eating. Now the second change is change in the body shape. Changes in the body shape occur during the adolescence. Children, if you observe that from जब आप छोटे थे, in comparison to that, now in your body, are your muscles of the same size? No. So there are changes that are different for boys and for girls. In boys, we see that shoulder become broader and chest becomes wider. Whereas girls में क्या है? The region below the waist becomes wider. The body muscles grow more prominently in boys than that in girls. So there is, during the puberty, there is change in the body shape as well. The third change we see is change in the voice. At puberty, the voice box, जो हमारा voice box होता है throat में, it begins to grow. And it differs in boys and girls. The voice box is bigger in case of boys children. In boys, it is seen as a protruding part of the throat called as Adam's apple. अगर आप यहाँ पे पिक्चर में देखेंगे तो you can see the Adam's apple. थ्रोट में एक ग्रोथ थोड़ी सी बाहर की तरफ निकली हुई है. That portion is called as Adam's apple. That is actually an indication of puberty. In girls, the voice box is hardly visible from the outside as it is smaller in size. The boys also show change in the voice. Boys have a deep voice which in some cases becomes very hoarse. Then girls have a high-pitched voice. The other change that we see is increase in the activity of sweat and oil glands. When we grow up, during the stage at the age of puberty, we see that हमारे मुंह पे ज़्यादा pimples आ रहे हैं. During puberty, the secretion of sweat also increases. So the secretion of sweat and oil gland increases at the time of puberty. Increased activity of these glands leads to acne and pimples on the faces of adolescents. Now the other changes we see is development of sex organs. Sex organs also develop during the puberty as an individual achieves the sexual maturity. Although the sex organs are present right from the time of birth, but they develop fully and reach maturity during puberty only. In boys, what is the sex organ? It is testes. Whereas in the females or in the girls, the sex organ is ovaries. Yeah. So in boys, the male sex organs, that is testes and the penis, develop completely, and the testes begin to produce sperms. Whereas in girls, the ovaries enlarge and start releasing mature eggs. The testes and the ovaries, they are called as primary sex organs. So they develop at the age of puberty. Also, there is development of secondary sexual characters. Secondary sexual characters are not related with actually the sex organs. They are the additional characteristics which appear when an individual achieves puberty. So we will go ahead and discuss this topic later. The last change that we will study is reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. Children during this phase, the adolescents become more independent and self-conscious. जब puberty stage में an individual reaches, so what happens? The individual tries to analyze the things. There are mental changes as adolescence progresses. They try to analyze things. They think about the things happening around them. They try to do the things independently and they become more conscious about themselves. They spend more time thinking about various things happening in their life as they are also getting mature mentally. So that is the reason वो ज़्यादा सोचने लगते हैं जो चीज़ें हमारे आसपास हो रही हैं as they become mentally mature. They also may start feeling insecure while trying to adjust the changes in body and mind. So children, this stage is very critical. जहाँ पे the changes in our body are taking place. Yes, so we might get over conscious about it. At this age, at the time of puberty, we get insecure or we get overconscious regarding the changes that are happening. Then they also develop attraction for opposite sex. Yes, so these are the changes that we see in the adolescence or when they are at the stage of puberty. Also at this stage of puberty, you undergo psychological changes. Psychological changes means you might feel that you're absolutely fine right now, but on the other moment you might feel sad or you might feel very happy in the next moment. So those are called as psychological changes. So at this stage children, an individual undergoes social, mental and emotional changes. Under social changes, जैसे जैसे आप बड़े होते हैं आपके पेरेंट्स की एक्सपेक्टेशन बढ़ती जाती है. They expect you to be more responsible, right? And आपकी anxiety regarding the changes happening to you is also going on. Your relationship with your friends change and they become more important to you. You start taking your own decisions. Yes, you prefer to take your own decisions then rather listening to your parents. Yes, then also you see many emotional changes as I mentioned just now कि आपको कभी लगेगा that you are very happy but at the other minute you will feel that you're very sad. So these are certain emotional changes that your body goes through during the puberty. But there is nothing to worry, as I mentioned in the beginning of this chapter, that whenever you have anything to talk or whenever you feel insecure or you have queries in your mind, you should always speak to your parents or to your teachers or to a doctor. Yes, there's nothing in this world that does not has an answer. So we all go through these changes, and any kind of query, any kind of anxiety can be always be helped by your parent or your teachers that you trust or a doctor. Alright children, so that's the end of this video. Please go through the textbook, read through the textbook and try and understand the adolescence and puberty stages. For queries, you can always WhatsApp me or we can discuss that in the Zoom class. Along with this, we are also sending you the PDF for the textbook. Those who don't have the textbook can go through or read through the PDF. The question answers PDF that we are sending you, you will make a note of those question answers in your science classwork notebook. So I hope you enjoy e-learning and have a nice day ahead. Thank you.